Hi, I'm Kevin. Welcome to my kitchen garden. Today I'm going to show you how to build a tomato trellis. It's really easy to make. I make one every year. And all you need is a hammer, some jute twine, scissors to cut the jute twine, and some 1x1 or 2x2x8 posts. And my posts are made of pine, or are made from pine. And the trellis is going to go in this 4x8 raised bed. I've already dug in some organic all-purpose fertilizer. So let's get started. Oh, you will also need a step ladder unless you are about 9 feet tall. All right, so my trellis is going to be built about 1 foot from the edge of the bed. So you might want to make a line, just a rough line to show where your posts will go. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is make an A-frame. Here we go. I'm going to pound these in at an angle, about a foot into the ground. Perfect. Okay, let me give you a close-up. So I've pounded 2 posts at an angle, and they've created this V at the top. Okay, now I'm going to make another A shape, or A-frame, at the other end of the bed. To climb way up. Okay, twine time. Now I'm going to tie the V shape at the top, about 6 inches from the top, with the jute twine. And I like jute twine because it's biodegradable and it holds a knot very well. As the old saying goes, if you can't tie a knot, just tie a lot. So yeah, so about 6 inches or 8 inches from the top. You make your knot. Wrap this around and then just wind it between the 2 posts. Wind the jute twine, between the 2 posts, just to secure them. There's going to be more tying later on, so you don't have to go nuts here. Okay. And of course, you have to do the same thing at the other end. And you just crisscross between the two posts. And that is that. Now it's time to place the crossbeam. And I'm using one of my crummier looking posts for this job. Should probably be on a ladder. And this slips right into the wedges, like so. And then I'm going to tie this in place. And again, there are no fancy knots here. Okay, now I'm going to do the same tie job at the other end of the trellis. Let's see. The weather's very nice up here. I wish you could join me. And just weave in and out. As I said, just tie a lot. You won't need any special equipment. No drills, no screws, no hot glue gun. No buttons, no bows. No candy sprinkles. Okay. All right, now I'm going to add more posts on which the tomatoes will grow. And here you want to go, let's see, under the crossbeam, like this, and I'm going to space these posts about 18 inches apart. Okay, hang on, I have to get up on my ladder. Right about 18 inches. A little farther. Okay, that's good. And hammer. Okay. And then another. Fall over there. Yes, as you can see, this takes absolutely no skill whatsoever. If a boob like me can do it, then a brilliant person like you can do it. Okay, and then I'm going to tie these. Like this. I'll show you a close-up of my tying job in just a minute. Okay, and we want to go around and around and around. And by the way, I have never, ever had one of these trellises blow over or collapse. It may not look that sturdy, but it is very sturdy. And then I'm going to do more posts over here. So I'll come back when I finish that job. Okay, the trellis is built. Let's have a look. If you grow your tomatoes to a single leader, then you can plant, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 beams on each side, so I could grow 10 tomato plants here in this 4x8 raised bed. Of course, if you're not going to prune out suckers, in other words, if you're going to let your tomatoes grow freely, then you'd probably only want to do, oh, I don't know, maybe 8 tomatoes here. And here are the knots. As you can see, they are far from professional, but I do this every year, and believe me, this trellis holds up. And here's the trellis from another angle. Here's my garlic. So I think it makes an attractive structure for the garden, and of course it's really useful not only for tomatoes but for winter squash as well. I could grow acorn squash or butternut squash up this thing. The other thing I like about this trellis is that it adds a vertical dimension to the horizontal kitchen garden. It looks cool, okay? Thank you for watching. I will be very happy to show you more of this garden as I get things planted. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.